Good day or type for the day is work, energy, and power. So at the end of this presentation, you are expected to learn to define work in scientific sense, calculate work done by a force that moves object for a certain displacement, so that doing work on a body increases its energy. Distinguish kinetic and potential energy, calculate the kinetic energy and the energy of free falling. Calculate the work done and power output in a body. So let's start. So first, understand the forces. Why? Bakit ba? Because work is happen when you apply force no object or body at a certain distance. Tingnan tayo dito ang rate. So nakalapag sa plane. Then pull by a rope. So mag-apply the external force dun sa rope para mahila natin siya. So external force is constant. Okay. Then, let's say the external force is 15 Newton. So, the plate is moved 2 meters from its original position. So, the work done is equal to force times distance. Yung formula natin, work done is equal to force times distance. So, yung applied force natin is 15 Newton and the displacement is meters. So, the work done in this system is equal to 100 Newton meter or equal to 100 joules. So, ito yung unit natin sa work, 100 joules. So, let's say we have example here in plate naman. So, pulled by the rope. So, yung rope naman is inclined, let's say 30 degrees from the horizontal. So, the same pa rin, 15 Newton. So, and the same is 2 meters. Nakikita nyo parang mabagal na siya, hilahin or mas matagal yung time niya para mahila yung plate. So, anong reason yan? Bakit matagal? So, the reason why is yung forces na incline na convert into components is Fx and Fy. So, in x-axis and y-axis direction. So, itong F na to, nahati siya into Fy and Fx. Perpendicular to each other itong forces na yan. So, itong Fy na to, lilipat lang natin sa kabila para magmukha siyang triangle. Mas madaling ma-imagine. So, meron tayo ditong right triangle. So, yung angle niya is 30 degrees from the horizontal. So, yan. So, para mahanap natin yung force na nag-move sa kanya in horizontal direction. So, that is F of X. So, para mahanap natin yung value niyan, so, ang value kasi ng F is 15 Newton. So, imagine nyo, ito yung hypotenuse. Ito yung adjacent side angle. So, that is cosine. So, adjacent over hypotenuse. So, adjacent is cosine theta is equal to F of X. This is your adjacent and hypotenuse is your F. Then, mahanap natin si F. So, ang gagawin natin, multiply lang natin siya both side by F para makancel yung F dito, then magkaroon siya ng F dito. So, nakaequate siya sa Fx. So, Fx is equal to F cosine theta. 30 degrees. Para mahanap natin yan, so, ang substitute lang natin yung value ng F, which is 50 Newton, then yung value ng theta is 30 degrees. So, F of X is equal to 43.3 Newton. So, yun yung reason kung bakit mas mabagal siya compare sa yung force na horizontal. Imagine nyo, pagka 50 Newton yung buo, yung mas malaki yung force niya, mas mabilis niya mahihila yung yung plate. Na-reduce siya 43.3 na lang nag-move sa kanya in terms of force in horizontal. So, calculate natin yung work done. So, work is equal to force times distance. Kaya tayo work is equal to, yung force natin is 43.3 Newton and 2 meters. Same distance pa rin. Work done is equal to 86.6 Newton meter or 86.6 joules. Na-reduce siya. From 100, naging 86.6 na siya pag naka-incline. So, imagine nyo, habang tumataas yung, yung angle dito, mas lumiliit yung value ng F. X. Kapag hinihila nyo yung crate, pagka tinataas nyo, habang tinataas nyo yung rope, mas bumabagal kayong hilahin siya. Kasi mas maliit yung horizontal force na i-exert nyo para ma-pull nyo yung crate. So, habang yung F naman, itong rope na to is, nire-reach nyo yung horizontal, tumataas yung force dito kasi nga pagdating sa horizontal yung f of x equal to f. So rin din kapag binababa nyo naman dito, pag bumababa kayo, nagkakaroon ng angle. So the same lang as tumataas yung yung rope. Sa bababa yung rope. Dito yung surface dito is frictionless. So, wala pa tayong friction. Question, what if the force applied in the crate is variable? So, work done is equal to yung integration between force times distance, so differential distance and differential force. So, from x1 to x2, yung initial position to final position. So, assuming force is parallel to the plane where the object is, ang gagawin ng equation na ito kapag horizontal force. So PCCs measure work in terms of joules, which lead us to energy. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. So kung wala kang energy, hindi ka makakagawa ng work. So energy. Meron tayong dalawa, kinetic energy. So is the energy that it possesses to its motion. So potential energy is the energy that is stored in an object due to its position relative to some zero position. Okay, meron tayo dito. Plate ulit. Then tinutulak. So meron tayo frictional force dito. So yung frictional coefficient dito sa isang surface is 0.2. So yung crate may bigat na 10 kilograms. Tutulak niya. Then nag-apply siya ng force na 50 Newton. So para mag-stay in place itong crate na to. So meron siyang nagka-counteract na normal force dun sa plane. So which is equal to 10 kilograms. So para mag-stay in place siya. So commute natin yung work equivalent na itong weight ito, weight. Weight is equal to mass times gravitational acceleration. So, gravitational acceleration equal to 9.81. So 10 kilograms times 9.81 meter per second squared is equal to 98.1 Newton. So ito, a kilogram meter per second squared is equal to Newton. So, commute natin yung frictional force. Frictional force is equal to mu times normal force. So, yung frictional force habang may bigat, tumataas din yung frictional force. So, frictional coefficient 0.2, then normal force is 98.1. So frictional force is 19.62. So 19.62 yung frictional force base dun sa 10 kilograms na weight nitong plate. So iusog niya ng 2 meters. Right, done is equal to force times distance. So, ganun, 50 Newton times 2 is 100 joules. So, ito yung in-apply niya. kapag frictionless. Work done to overcome frictional force is equal to force times distance ulit. Yung frictional force is 19.62 times 2 kasi nga 2 meters yung displacement niya. Equal to 39.24. So yung kinetic energy na gawa is equal to yung work done kapag frictionless minus yung frictional force 39.24 work done to overcome frictional force and 39.24 joules. So total is 60.76 joules. So ito yung equivalent kinetic energy na exert niya sa rate na to. So, ano ba yung formula ng kinetic energy? So, work is equal to force times distance. So, para mahanap natin yung formula ng kinetic energy, so, kukunin natin yung instantaneous ng kinetic energy equal to, so yung force is equal to mass times acceleration. And, infinitesimal distance no work. So, yung acceleration nito, i-convert natin into infinitesimal element ng velocity over time. Then, swap natin si dn velocity. Meron na tayo dito, m is equal to p over t, differential t over I times differential d. So ito, differential d over differential t is equal to velocity. So, meron tayo dito differential kinetic energy is equal to mass. So, times ito yung velocity niya times differential velocity. No, integrate natin siya. So, di ko sa integration si m dahil siya ay constant. So, kahit anong position niya, hindi na babagi sa m. Ano tayo dito ang integration BTV. So, chain rule lang yan. From initial velocity to final velocity. So, integration ng BTV is equal to 1/2 v squared. Constant yung mass. So, from initial velocity to final velocity. So, substitute natin itong values na to. Meron tayo dito Bf squared over 2 minus B squared over 2. Kinetic energy is equal to, so assume natin ang initial velocity is equal to 0. Kaya yung formula natin is equal to m is equal to Bf squared over 2. So yung Bf, it means this is the final velocity at a certain time. Kinuha natin yung kinetic energy from 0 to certain time. So, potential energy formula is equal to, so itong formula na to is gravitational potential energy. So, paano naging mgh yan? So, ano ba yung mg tsaka h? So, work done sa potential energy is equal to force times distance. So, dito sa di ba, ang force is equal to mass times acceleration. So, dito, this is mass, acceleration, dahil nga, gravitational potential energy siya. So, yung g dyan is gravitational acceleration. So, kaya mg. Then, yung distance is h. Kasi nga, ang potential energy, pagka gravitational is vertical. So, let's say, meron tayo dito ang weight, 10 kilograms, yung ila pataas, 2 meters. Diba? So, how much potential energy is needed to lift the crate 2 meters above? So, P is equal to mgh Yung formula natin. So yung mass natin is 10 kilograms, the gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second squared, then yung displacement niya, yung height is 2 meters. So yung potential energy dito is 196.2 joules. Yung potential energy. So, law of conservation of energy, so kinetic energy and potential energy. So, ito yung example niya, pendulum. Pendulum dito. Then, let's say, hilahin natin siya dito hanggang this point. So, at this point, so let's say, naka-hold tayo. Naka-hold natin siya. Then, yung kinetic energy dito sa position na to is 0. Then, yung magkakos sa kanya para bumaba is potential energy o gravitational. Let's say, meron tayong 1 joule. Example, na value ng ng P. Then, habang bumaba yung yung pendulum, kung nagkakaroon siya ng kinetic energy kasi nga meron siyang dito sa sa potential energy. So, yung kinetic energy dito sa at this point is 1 joule. So, let's say 1 joule. Then, yung potential energy dito, dahil nga ito na yung position na pwede niyang ibaba, ito na yung maximum. Yung potential energy dito is 0. So, yung in-exert na force nitong itong group na to, yung this ball na to, equal na kaya 0 na sila. Then, pag umangat na naman siya, dahil nga, di ba galing siya dito, pendulum yan, punta siya dito. So, pagdating dito, pagka yung kinetic energy na 0, so, yung potential energy na naman is 1 joule. So, babalik na naman siya. So, ito, hilahin na naman siya bababa, hilahin na ito bababa. Yan, hilahin niya bababa ito, pabalik dun. So, yung mababalik sa kanya is yung potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Kung makapansin nyo, when KE increases, PE decreases. So, when PE naman is increases, PE is decreases. Ayan. So, ito naman tayo sa sa work, energy, then power. So, what is power? Power is amount of work per unit of time. So, bitin mo lang yung work, then i-divide mo kung ilang oras mo siya ginawa, that is power. So, average power is equal to work done divided by yung time consumed equal to power. So, previously, in cooling a box, so meron tayo work done is equal to 100 joules. In a frictionless surface. Time consumed to cool the box is 5 seconds. So, calculate the power. So, average power is equal to 100 joules divided by 5 seconds na consume. Then, equal to 20 joules per second. So, equal to 20 watts. So, yung joules per second equivalent to 1 watt. 1 joule per second equal to 1 watt. So, worded problem tayo. Example. What is the power output for a 60 kilogram woman who runs up to 3 meter high flight stairs in 3.5 seconds? So, starting from rest but having a final speed of 2 meter per second. So, compute natin yung power output ng babae. So, first, compute muna natin yung work done ng babae. So, work done is equal to kinetic energy plus gravitational potential energy. So, work done is equal to, yung formula natin, mass times final velocity squared over 2 plus mgh potential energy. So, substitute natin mga values. Meron tayo dito, mass is 60 kg, final velocity is 2 meter per second. over 2 plus mass ulit 60 kg, gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second squared. And the height is 3 meters. So, yung kinetic energy is 120 joules and the potential energy is 1,765.8 joules. So, time consume niya from zero displacement up to yung 3 meters high. Ito yung total work done. Time consumed is 3.5 seconds. So, meron tayo dito total work done. So, this is 1885 is 1885.8 divided by 3.5 seconds. So, power output is 538.8 watts. So, ito yung power output ng babae from zero velocity up to ang velocity niya to this point is 2.0 meter per second. So, activity. So, film yourself. So, show experiment in work, energy, and power. So, simple lang, film yourself. So, example ng ng experiment. So, yung hauling. So, ilalagay mo lang siya sa isang truck. So, potential energy. Ilalaglag mo lang yung hauling sa truck o ba. And, iba lang kung ano yung velocity niya, distance, and yung time, and what is the power output. So, ganun kabigat yung hauling, ganun.